Now let's learn the value of all the pieces. The pawn. The strength of the other pieces like the queen, the rook, the bishop, the knight are measured by the number of pawns that they are worth. One single pawn is equivalent to one opponent's pawn, which means if white loses one pawn and black also loses one equivalent pawn, so both sides is balanced because both has lost one pawn, the game is still equal. The knight is worth around 3 pawns and the bishop is also worth around 3 pawns. In some positions, knight are stronger, in other positions, bishop are stronger. We will learn this in our upcoming lessons. For now, knight equal to 3 pawns and bishop equal to 3 pawns. The rook is a powerful piece. It worth about 5 pawns. The queen is the most powerful piece on the board. It worth about 9 pawns. Now you might notice that each side only has 8 pawns. So what does 9 pawns really mean? Think of it this way. The queen's value is roughly equal to trading several small pieces. For example, 2 knights and 1 bishop, or 1 knight and 2 bishops, or 1 rook, 1 knight and 1 pawn. These are equal to 9 pawns. That's why the queen feels so mighty. She combines the power of multiple pieces in one. Now here comes the king. The king doesn't really have a value that can be measured with pawns. Though not so powerful, the king cannot be lost. The aim of the game is to capture the enemy king, right? So your king has infinite value. Wow! Now we have just learned the value of each pieces, starting from the pawn till the king. Thank you so much everyone. We will dive even deeper into the amazing world of chess in the next lesson. And until then, keep playing, keep learning, and keep it cheeky. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.